Hello students, welcome to my live classroom St. Lumina's online preschool. I hope you all are well. Okay, so let's start. Now I want to show my whiteboard. So let's see. Yes, this is my whiteboard and first I want to take blue color. Okay, so yes, now I want to take blue color. Okay, so let's start with me. Today is, tell me, Wednesday. WEDNESDAY. Today is Wednesday and date 11th August 2021. Okay, and today I am going to discuss about English grammar, articles, the uses of the. Okay, so let's start. Before starting it, I want to tell you something about my previous classes. The articles, ARTICLES. We know in our English grammar we have three articles, a, an, and last the. A and the. We have three articles, a and the. In my previous class I have discussed about the uses of a or an. Okay, now today's class I am going to discuss about the uses of the. Where to use the. Okay, so now I want to show my pages. So let's see. Use of the. Let's see with me. Before the names of unique objects, unique, that means only on in our world. Okay, so before the names of unique objects we have to use or we have to write the sun, the earth, the moon. We all know we have only one sun, we have only one earth and only one moon. So before the sun, earth, moon we have to write the. Okay, clear? Now number 2, before adjectives in the superlative degree. Degree, I will discuss about degree in my next future classes. Okay, now before adjectives in the superlative degree, he is the tallest boy of our class. Look, tallest, it's superlative degree in form. Okay, so before adjectives in the superlative degree, tallest, yes, tallest, we have to write before tallest, the. Okay, clear? Now next sentence, she is the smartest girl in the group. Look here, smart, smarter, smartest. Okay, so she is the smartest girl in the group. Here smartest is in superlative degree form. So before it we have to write the smartest girl. Okay. Now number 3, before the names of rivers and oceans. Before the names of rivers and oceans. The Yamuna is a sacred river. Okay. Look here, Yamuna is the name of a river. So before it we have to write the. Okay, clear? Now the Pacific Ocean, the Caspian Sea and the Arabian Sea. Okay, before Pacific Ocean, Caspian Sea and Arabian Sea we have to write the. Okay, clear? I hope you all understand it. So now I am going to my next page. So let's see with me. Yes, this is my next page. Before the names of mountain ranges. Before the names of mountain ranges. Look, for example, the Himalayas are covered with snow. Before Himalayas, what is Himalaya? Himalaya is the name of a mountain. So before it we have to write the. Okay, clear? Next sentence, the Alps cannot be easily climbed. Okay, before Alps we have to write the. Now number 5, before the names of sacred books. Okay, the Bible. The Bible, before Bible is the holy book of the Christians. So here Bible is a sacred book. So before Bible we have to write the. Next sentence, the Gita is the holy book of the Hindus. Okay, here Gita, before Gita we have to write the. Now number 6, before the names of newspapers we have to write the. Before the names of newspapers we have to write the. For example, the Indian Express. Look here, Indian Express is the name of a newspaper. So before Indian Express we have to write the. The Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times is the name of a newspaper. So before it we have to write the. Okay, clear? Now number 7, before adjectives used as nouns. Okay, before adjectives used as nouns. We should help the poor. Okay, we should help the poor. Before poor we have to write the. The rich are not always happy. The rich are not always happy. Look here, before rich we have to write the. Okay, clear? I hope you all understand it. So now I want to show my next page. So let's see. Look here, fill in the blanks with A or N. In my previous class I have discussed about it. So now I want to see your response. Okay, so let's start with me. Elephant, what can I write before elephant? Tell me. First, I want to see who can answer me first. Elephant, look here. Elephant, the beginning letter of elephant is E. E is a vowel. So write here N. An elephant dances on the stage with umbrella. What can I write, A or N? Tell me. The beginning letter of umbrella is U. So write here N. Now number 2. We saw bear, owl and monkey at the zoo. Look, bear. Before bear, we have to write A. We saw a bear, owl. In the word owl, the beginning letter is O. O is a vowel. So write here N. And last, monkey. The word monkey, the beginning letter M. Okay, M is not a vowel, it's consonant. So write here A. At the zoo. They built igloo to provide form of shelter. They built igloo. In the word igloo, the beginning letter is I. So I is a vowel. So before igloo, we have to write N. Okay. They built an igloo to provide form. Before form, we have to write A because F is not vowel, it's consonant. Okay, clear? Now number 4. She is outstanding student. So in the word outstanding, the beginning letter is O. It's a vowel, not consonant. So what can I write here? Tell me. Yes, I can write here N. Okay. She is an outstanding student and fast learner. Fast. In the word fast, the beginning letter is F. So before F, what can I write here? Tell me. Yes, A. Because F is not vowel, it's consonant. Now number 5, I would like to eat boiled egg. Okay, before boiled, what can I write, A or N? Look, in the word boil, B is the beginning letter and it is not vowel, it's consonant. So write here A. Okay, clear? I hope you all understand it. So now I want to show my next page. So let's see with me. Yes, this is my next and last page. Okay. Circle the correct article in the sentence. Circle the correct article. I have seen A and the Taj Mahal. You all know the uses of A, and or the. Okay, clear? So now what can I write? You tell me. I have seen A and the Taj Mahal. Look here, Taj Mahal is only one in the earth. So before Taj Mahal, what can I write? A and or the? Tell me. Circle it. So before Taj Mahal, we have to put the. So circle the. Okay. Now number 2. Raju is a and the honest man. Look here. Here honest, in the word honest, S is the beginning letter. But it's the sound honest, HONEST, its sound is not honest, it's honest. Because the pronunciation is O, so we have to put N, not A, before honest. Okay. So circle N. Clear? Now number 3. I have visited A and the rock garden at Chandigarh. Look here, rock garden at Chandigarh is only one. Okay. So before it we have to write the. Clear? Now number 4. A and the principal is in the office. Okay. Look here, before principal what can I write? A and the. A not. A is wrong, and is wrong, and the principal, because here the indications is only the principal. So the principal is in the office. So circle the. Clear? Now number 5. He is a and the ablest boy in the class. It's in the superlative form, superlative degree form. So before it we have to put the. Clear? Now number 6. He was late by a and the hour. Look here, hour, before in the word hour the beginning letter is s, but it sounds hour, not hour. So before hour we have to put an, not a. Don't use a before hour. Understand? Now number 7. His father is a and the officer in a and the Indian Navy. Look here, his father is a and the officer. Officer. So what can I write here? His father is officer. O is the beginning letter. So circle an. His father is an officer in the Indian Navy. Indian Navy is only one. Okay. So before Indian Navy we have to write the. Clear? Now number 8. She is as wise as a and the owl. What can I write here? Look here, she is as wise as the owl. Okay? Compare. So circle the. Students, I hope you all understand it. So if you like or understand it before, please hit the like button and share it to your friends and relatives so that they can get the chance to join my class. Okay. So today I just want to tell you bye. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.